Hello and welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. In our previous class we have studied related about exercise 5a, which is about the starting of indices, questions of indices, and the first three laws and how to apply them in question. So today we will study exercise 5b and we will do some questions and easy questions related to it. So the first part is evaluate 17 power 0. If you remember that the law number I think 4, it says that when the power is 0 on any number, it's either it's in fraction or it's a negative number or any integer, any whole number, so it's always answer is equal to 0. So 17 power 0 is equal to 1. And moving on to next part, minus 2 upon 7 power 0. So this is also minus 1. We have to remember this thing and also remember this thing that whenever there is a negative sign, so we have to put the negative sign in the answer, and we have to also we have to also choose and think about that. So moving on to third part, 4a power 0. So 4, so the power of a will be 1, and 4 will multiply by 1, so it will be answer 4. I will do direct questions about it, so don't worry. But the thing is to understand how I will make to understand you. You have to understand my point. So minus 8 b power 0. So b power 0 is equal to 1, and minus 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 8. Moving on to second last part of this question, which says 72 cd square bracket power 0. So all is equal to 1, because I have already told that whenever it is written in bracket in fraction form, so the answer is equal to 1. So 7e power 8 bracket power 0. It means that when the e power 8 is the power of 0, so whole bracket will be equal to 1, and the 7 will multiply by 1 is equal to 7. So moving on to question number 2, which says find the value. So 2 power 0 multiplied by 2 power 4. So 2 power 0's answer is equal to 1 multiplied by 16. So we will get the result 16. So coming on to next part, 7 square multiplied by 7 power 0 divided by 7. So 7 square is 49 multiplied by 1 divided by 7. So according to board mass, we will apply, because 1 divided by 7 is 7 and 49 divided by 7 is equal to also 7. So moving on to second last part of this question, 8 power 0 minus 8 square. So 1 minus 64, because 8 square is equal to 64. So our answer will be minus 63. We will choose the sign of the greater number. Moving on to last part of this question, which is 6 cube divided by 6 power 0 minus 6. So 6 cube is equal to 216 divided by 1 minus 6. According to board mass, we will apply 216 divided by 1 is equal to 216, and 216 is divided by minus 6. So our answer is 36. But the thing that I forgot tell you that, because when 216 is divided by minus 6, so our answer will be minus 36, because the sign I will also put another step to show that to understand about it. So 6 will divided by 2016, so 36 will be our answer, because the sign will be our negative. Moving on to next question of this. Question number 3 says evaluate 7 power minus 3. So because the power is in minus, so after we have to write it fraction form, because the reason behind this logic and behind this reason is that because we have to make the sign always in positive. Remember that whenever sign is in negative form, we have to change it into positive. And how we change a positive? Let's see. After changing in positive, how you change in positive? So 1 upon 7 cube, because 1 upon 7 cube, when it's become in fraction, so the power will be automatically changed in negative. So 1 upon 7 cube is equal to 1 upon 343. I suggest you that we have to remember all the squares and cubes, or till 1 till I think 10 you have to memorize and learn by heart squares and cubes of the numbers, because it will be easy to attend the questions in CIA and in exams. So bracket minus 5 bracket power minus 1, because also here the power is in negative, so we will change into positive after shifting it in the denominator. So minus 1 upon 5, and the power will be 1, so we do not write the power 1. So moving on to next question, which is 7 square bracket minus 2 power divided by 7 minus 4 power. We have to remember that we have to change the basis. What? We have to change the basis, because the 7 square is 49. We have to first expand and then change the basis, and several laws are applied over here, so we will step by step take them. So 7 square is 49.